Hi, we are excited to introduce you SimplyBook.me AI Assistant, a smarter way to manage your booking system. Your AI assistant handles the task or provides you step-by-step instructions. Just ask. So let's see how it works in practice. Firstly, we need to open the chat with Ask Simply. I needed to create a new service and a new provider, so I'm giving it the relevant information. I needed to proceed, and I will leave the phone number blank. The provider has been successfully created, and let's check the service. Nice. So now we will proceed with the schedule. I need to change the schedule for the provider. Let's set it from 9 till 6. Both the company schedule and the provider schedule have been updated, and we can check it. Let's see. The schedule is correct. Nice. And the last thing I want to modify is the 15-minute break between appointments. So the AI assistant gives us the instructions on how to do it. We'll go to Manage Services. Now we open the service. We go to Time Details. And we add 15-minute buffer time. Save and close. Now the service is successfully set up and ready to take bookings. From managing services to updating your schedules, the AI assistant is always ready to help, saving you time for what matters most, your clients. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.